Okay, I'm going to show you how to use Peggiator and Peggio in Logic to control other instruments. So let's open up Logic, have a software instrument created on a track, and let's name this Peggiator. And this will be the same process with Peggio. I'll show you that in a second. But if you have Peggiator, that's what we're going to do first. And we're going to switch the instrument here to Peggiator. And there it is. And let's put another track, another software instrument. And let's make this a DAW junkie instrument. Let's pick Razor Pluck Jr. There we go. So all we need to do to have the arpeggiator up here control this is go into that second track with Razor Pluck Jr. on it. Click this arrow over here to bring up these options. You have to go to internal MIDI in, and you want to choose the output of Peggiator. Boom. It's that simple. Now you have to also turn on input monitoring so you can hear what's happening on this track. But whatever is played up here in this track, and I'll just draw a chord real quick, and I'll hit play, and you'll hear that the arpeggiator from Peggiator is controlling Razor Pluck. Get the idea? All right, that is how you use Peggiator to control other instruments inside of Logic. I know it's not super easy, but once you learned that method, nothing changes. And remember, anything you do in Peggiator's track is what is going to affect what you hear in Razor Pluck. So why don't we pull Peggiator out and let's put in Peggio, because some of you have one of them and some of you have the other one of them. So let's go to that first track. Actually, let's delete it. I'm just going to delete it totally. Start from scratch. Okay, and then let's do a new software instrument track. Let's make this one Peggio. And let's make this one so it just makes it simpler, Razor Pluck Jr., so we know what's going on. Okay, so Peggio. So we have to load it up. Okay, there's Peggio. Now Peggio is a synth in itself. So if we play any notes in Peggio, we're going to hear them, because Peggio is a synth. So what you want to do, what you can do is just turn the volume down of Peggio totally, so you don't hear Peggio, and you're just going to hear Razor Pluck Jr. And it's the same process. You have to, I'll put Peggio up at the top, just like we had Peggiator at the top. It's the same process. You have to go to the track of the synth that you want to hear, go in here, go to internal MIDI in, instrument output, and pick the output of Peggio. If it's Peggiator, you pick the output of Peggiator. Make sure input monitoring is on, and then anything you do in this track here will be played by Razor Pluck Jr. That's how you do that. I hope that helps, and that works for Peggiator and Peggio. Thanks, guys.